Alright, here's the question you wanted me to go through with you. I'm going to go through it quite quickly. Please remember you can pause the video whenever you like, go back if you need to, and try go through it with your own working out. So we have to figure out what K is. We're told 3 points and also told that Mn is equal to Nr. We're going to use that information with the distance formula to figure out what K is. So here are points M and R on a Cartesian plane. Mn and Rn have to be equal. So I'm guessing that n has to be somewhere around here because it looks to me like, because I know the y value must be 8, it's got to be in this direction, so it's got to be something like that. So we're expecting a coordinate somewhere in this vicinity. Alright, so I'm going to start with the distance of Mn. I know that M is -2, 4, and N, K, -8. My distance formula, so now I just plug in the values that I've got already. I'm going to call M my point 1 and N my point 2. So x1 is -2, x2 is our unknown K. y1 is 4, y2 is -8, so -8 is +8 squared. So now I'm just going to simplify as far as possible. It's a bracket squared, so I have to multiply that bracket by itself. 12 squared, 144. So I've got to fold this out. -2 times -2 is 4, -2 minus k, my plus 2k, minus k minus 2 plus 2k, and finally minus k times minus k plus k squared plus our 144. We can collect like terms. 148. My k's by themselves is going to be plus 4k and k squared. So that is my distance from M to N. I still don't know what k is. This is as far as I can go from here. But now what I can do is figure out the distance of Nr, and I'll get something similar to this, and then I'm going to set them equal to each other because that was the first information that I was given. Mn is equal to Nr. So let's calculate the distance of Nr. Once again, I'm writing out my distance formula. And my coordinate for R is -5 and 1. I'm going to keep n as 2 and I'll make my point R my point 1 for now. So the value of x1 is -5. The value of x2 is my n, which I'm keeping as k. y1 is now 1, y2 -8, so -8 again, plus 8 squared. Foil this guy out, it's going to give us 25 minus plus 10k plus k squared plus 9 squared is 81. This I do expect to see full working out from you. And here, just collecting like terms, which is only our 25 and 81, going to give me 106 plus 10k plus k squared. So this is where the clever maths is going to come in. I'm going to set my distance of Mn equal to my distance of Nr to help me solve for k. So Mn was square root of 148 plus 4k plus k squared is equal to 106 plus 10k plus k squared. Because they both have square root signs, I can drop that. So 148 plus 4k plus k squared is equal to 106. And I've got a k squared on both sides, so I can minus it from both sides. Just get rid of it. I'd like to move all my k's, let's take them to this side. Minus 4k from both sides is going to give me 6k here. And move the number across. Minus 106 from both sides will give me 42 here. Get rid of that 6. Divide both sides by 6. 42 divided by 6 is 7, is equal to k. That's my answer. That's what I'm thinking k is. Let's have a look again at our Cartesian plane. And I said I suspected something here. Minus 8 for y, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is going to be my new point, which is 7 minus 8. And that looks completely perfectly right. That line, do this yourselves, get a ruler, please measure those for me. Make sure that we're absolutely correct. It does look good though. 7 minus 8. And next question, what type of triangle is MNR? I think you guys can do that for yourselves.